Hi, everybody. Welcome to week 5. At the end of this week, we'll be halfway through the course. Um, on Thursday, I'm going to ask you to submit the final draft of the summary response essay. Um, the things that we're going to do this week, let me go forward, are discuss terminology, analysis, go back to the rhetorical triangle, talk about the rhetorical situation, and rhetorical analysis. Um, we'll do a discussion on Steve Jobs in relation to the two readings from Tokamitsu and Gordon that we'll do this week. And we'll talk more about strategies for revision. This is what the week looks like. If I scroll down, you can see that I'm kind of paring down the assignments. I do have 3 readings for you this week. None of them are really long, but they're not short either. But apart from that, you can see that I'm asking you to do less daily because I really want you to get caught up. Some of you guys are behind and it's pulling your grade down. I will send out notifications at the end of the week, and you should know that in advance. It's really important to get those summary responses in so that your grade stays in a good zone. At the end of the week, um, uh, I'll ask you to complete a self-assessment for quiz number 5. So all the quiz questions pertain to how you feel you're doing in the course, and hopefully get you to kind of rethink where you're at, how you're getting work done, how successful you're being, and how you can use support these last 5 weeks to end the course successfully. So I will post this tonight, which is Sunday night. As usual, if you have any questions tomorrow, Monday, um, uh, drop me an email. I will be checking in with a bunch of you guys tomorrow afternoon from 2 to 3. And that's especially if your grade is below 70 and if you need to get assignments in that will bring your grade up. Um, and remember that I have office hours on Tuesday as well from 3 to 4. And you guys who are having trouble getting work done, I really want you to use that block to get assignments in with my help. That's it. I will see you in class on Tuesday afternoon at 4. But of course, email me if you have any questions or if you want to check in. Okay, thanks.